In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Etsy listings and order handling correctly so you stay protected and provide a smooth experience for buyers. First, open Google Chrome and go to your Etsy listing editor. This is where you'll manage the key shipping and fulfillment details that buyers see before they place an order. Taking a few extra moments here can help prevent confusion later and can also reduce the chances of disputes. When you're in the editor, make sure you review the shipping section carefully rather than rushing through it. Next, enter a clear processing time for your listing. This tells buyers how long it will take you to prepare the item before it actually ships. Be realistic here. It's better to slightly underpromise and over-deliver than to set a timeline that's too ambitious and risk missing it. Along with that, choose a reliable shipping carrier that provides package tracking. Tracking is important because it gives both you and the buyer visibility into where the order is and when it's expected to arrive. It also creates a record that can be helpful if there's ever a delivery issue. Once an order is ready to go, buy your shipping label directly on Etsy if possible. Doing this keeps your shipping information connected to the order automatically, which makes the process simpler and more organized. If you're purchasing postage somewhere else, then be sure to enter a valid tracking number as soon as the item ships. Don't wait until later. Adding tracking immediately helps keep the order updated and shows that you've sent it on time. After that, pack your item securely and ship it within the processing time frame you stated in the listing. Good packaging matters just as much as fast shipping. Use materials that protect the item well during transit so it arrives in the condition the buyer expects. And just as importantly, make sure the package is actually handed off to the carrier before your processing window ends. Staying within that time frame is a key part of meeting buyer expectations. Finally, respond to buyer help messages within 24 hours. Timely communication shows professionalism, builds trust, and is especially important if a problem comes up. If a buyer reaches out with a question, concern, or issue, reply promptly and keep your message clear and helpful. This quick response time also helps you remain covered for disputes under $250. If you follow these practices consistently, you'll create a better buying experience, stay organized, and help protect your shop when issues arise.